Hi, my name's Chris Kona with AXYZ Automations Group.
Today we're cutting and engraving a piece of clear acrylic on our AXYZ Innovator CNC router. For this project, we're working with 10mm acrylic, which is just under 3/8 of an inch thick, and our goal is to produce a clean engraved graphic, a precise cut profile, and a polished finished edge. We're running this application on an AXYZ Innovator with a 5x8 foot bed, or approximately 1.5 by 2.4 meters, providing ample space to efficiently process full sheets. This machine is equipped with a dual head configuration, featuring a 5 horsepower HSD spindle, capable of speeds up to 24,000 revolutions per minute, alongside a pneumatic oscillating knife for maximum versatility across routing and knife cutting applications. Powered by ISM servo motors with a belt-driven transmission system, and paired with a precision helical rack drive, the machine delivers smooth, accurate, and reliable performance. A tool length sensor ensures consistent tool qualification and repeatable accuracy throughout operation. To support a clean and efficient workspace, the machine is paired with a high-pressure dust extraction system. What makes this setup a great fit for acrylic is the level of control it gives us throughout the process. Acrylic is a material that needs to be machined carefully. You want crisp engraving, smooth profile cutting, and strong edge quality, all without introducing unnecessary heat or stress into the part. With the Innovator, we're able to maintain the accuracy and motion control needed to handle both detailed engraving and clean cutting in the same workflow. For tooling, we're using an engraving bit and a 6mm acrylic tool, with the sheet supported on an MDF sacrificial board. The job is programmed in VCarve, which helps us create an efficient toolpath and move cleanly from engraved detail into the final cut profile. Another big advantage here is consistency. The tool length sensor helps us set up accurately and repeatably, while the servo-driven motion system supports smooth movement across the sheet. And with effective dust extraction, we're keeping the cutting area cleaner throughout the operation. The finished result is a clear acrylic part with precise engraved detail, accurate geometry, and a polished edge that gives it a clean, professional appearance. This application is a great example of how the AXYZ Innovator can process acrylic for display work, branded elements, architectural features, and other custom fabrication projects where finish quality really matters. At AXYZ, we've been building CNC machines for over 30 years, with locations and dealers around the world, helping customers across industries find reliable, high-performance cutting solutions backed by global support and decades of application expertise.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below.